Top 5 best paying jobs in real estate. If someone told you that real estate could make you rich, would you believe them? Well, not all real estate jobs are created equal. But today, we're revealing the top 5 best paying jobs in real estate, the roles that go way beyond selling houses and actually build serious wealth. Stay with me, because job number 1, most people never even consider it, but it's where the real money lives. Let's jump in. Number 5. Real estate broker. Average earnings $100,000, $250,000 year, commission based. Let's start with the classic. Real estate brokers are a step above regular agents. They've passed additional licensing exams, can manage their own firms, and often supervise teams of agents under them. What makes this job so profitable is leverage you're not just earning from your own deals, but from every transaction your agents close. And in hot markets like Miami, Louisiana, or Dubai, commissions can skyrocket. Yes, it's competitive. Yes, it requires hustle. But if you're a strong negotiator, understand your local market, and build a solid network, you can build an empire. Number 4. Property developer. Average earnings $150,000, $500,000 year or much more on large projects. This is where things get exciting. Property developers don't sell buildings, they create them. They identify undervalued land or properties, plan new developments, manage construction, and flip them for massive profits. It's high risk, but the reward can be life-changing. Developers often work with architects, city planners, and financial backers. Some come from construction backgrounds, others from finance. If you can spot the next hot area before it explodes, your returns can multiply quickly. The key here: vision, timing, and funding. Number 3. Real estate investment trust, REIT analyst or manager. Average earnings $120,000, $250,000 year plus bonuses. Want to work with multi-million-dollar real estate portfolios without ever swinging a hammer? Analysts and fund managers do exactly that. They manage large-scale real estate assets like shopping malls, hotels, office towers, and generate returns for investors. You'll analyze data, forecast profits, and make key decisions on buying, holding, or selling massive assets. These roles are often based in financial hubs like New York, London, or Singapore. If you're analytical, love real estate, and understand finance, this role could be your golden ticket. Number 2. Luxury real estate agent. Average earnings $250,000, $1 M plus year, commission based. This is not your average sales job. Luxury agents handle multi-million-dollar properties for high net worth clients. Think celebrity mansions, waterfront estates, or penthouses in global cities. The commission on just one $10 million sale can easily surpass $300,000, but it's not just about listing seats, about trust, discretion, and brand positioning. Many of these agents build their personal brand on social media, offer concierge-level service, and become trusted advisors to the ultra-wealthy. It takes charisma, patience, and next-level presentation skills, but the payoff is massive. Number 1. Real estate private equity partner. Average earnings $500,000. $5 million plus year, salary plus equity plus carry. This is the elite level of real estate income, and most people never even hear about it. Private equity firms raise capital from investors to acquire, reposition, and sell large-scale assets. Think portfolios of apartment buildings, commercial towers, or industrial parks. Partners in these firms don't just earn salaries, they take a share of profits, known as carry, on every deal closed. That means if the firm makes $100 million on a project, you take home a slice. Is intense, requires financial expertise, deal-making skill, and a strong investor network. But if you make it you're not just working with money, you're making it in 8 figures. Let's recap. From brokering deals and building skyscrapers to managing billion-dollar portfolios, real estate is full of high-paying paths. But here's the truth. It's not just about licenses or degrees. It's about strategy, timing, and how big you're willing to think. Autoplug. If one of these jobs caught your attention, drop it in the comments. And if you're already in the game, tell us what's real and what's hype. Leave a like if you're ready to build wealth brick by brick.